verbal reasoning. Okay, and these are the chapters, or these are the points you can say, or these are the questions will be based on this: series completion, direction, symbol based comparison, linear and circular arrangement, sequential output, conditional coding, selection criteria, Venn diagram, verbal ability, input output, blood relation, coding decoding, and syllogism. These all are the chapters, or you can say the points, or the chapters you can say, or you can say one or two questions they're going to ask you on this everything. Okay, from the series they will ask two questions, maybe on direction. We are not aware about that what exactly they're going to ask you, but these are the syllabus you can say. Okay, firstly we will see series completion. What is mean by series completion? Series completion is a sequential order of letters, number, or both arranged in such a way that each term in the series is obtained according to some specific rules. These rules can be based on the mathematical operation, place of letters, and alphabetical orders. Okay, this may be based on this. Okay, the series completion, like again I will tell you, suppose take an example of A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, all of you are aware about that. After D, what comes? Alphabet, next alphabet. You're getting my point? Suppose the series given A, C, E, likewise. One alphabet of a alphabetical order, one alphabet is not missed, and you are able to predict that what is the next in the alphabets. It's clear? Just I'm giving you an example. These types of mathematical operations, or mathematical operations, like suppose after every, firstly they have used a 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 minus 3, like plus minus plus minus plus minus. This is a series. You getting my point, students? Yes,
Yes,
all of
yes.
you, all of you getting my points, what I want to tell you? Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my slide is visible. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
now it is visible, na? Yes. Okay. See, series completion is a sequential order of letters. Like letters, we have to make an in sequential orders. Okay. You got an idea about what exactly it is. These series completion we have learned in the 8th or 7th standard. Okay, we have learned this 7th or 8th standard. Again, in the aptitude test, we have the same. In any competitive examination for any CET, you have these questions will come. Okay. Okay. Next slide. Yeah. Find the next term in the series. Okay, my screen is visible to all of you. Yes, students.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay. Again, one thing I want to tell you, all of you to take a part in the activity in the session. Then only it will be fruitful session, or it will have some good outcome of this session. You can say. Okay, clear? Like the alphabets they are given to you. Example: find the next term in the series A, D, G, J, and what comes in the next after J. Okay, take a pen and paper, write A, D, G, J, and what comes in the next, you can find it out. Okay, how many letters are gap in this A and D? How many letters are gap? B, C, two letters. Likewise, D, G, I, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, two letters are gap before G. Okay, A to G, there is a two letters are gap. Likewise, what comes in the next? Tell me, students. Okay. Tell me, students, just you have to do this is a hands-on experience. You have to do that. Then only you are able to understand what exactly the number series or series completion step, completion chapter. Okay, clear? What comes next, students? Tell me.
M.
And
M. Okay. This, like again in the examination also they were going to give you rough papers. Okay, you have to use that rough papers. Okay. See how it is the pattern, like M, you're told M is correct answer. The pattern of the series is shown in the below. Like C, three letters, two letters gap, third letter, two letters gap, third letter. Like after J comes M. This is a series questions. Okay, these types of questions, 2 marks, 2 or 3 questions they're going to ask you on this. 2 or 3 questions they're going to ask you on series completion. That reason I'm telling you to all of you, we do practice of this session, this number series or series completion state completion chapter, and definitely you will find 2 or 3 questions. And it is so simple, and just have to complete this series, you can say. Okay, it's clear, students, the series completion. Okay, take down another example. Find the next 2 terms of the given series. Okay, Z S W O T K Q G, and what next. Okay, take a pen and paper and try to find it out what comes at the question mark stage. Okay, do that. It is a number series. Series is there. You have to use your logic. Which type of series they have used in the alphabets? Clear, students? Yes. Tell me the answers. Tell me the answer. What comes next in at the point of question mark? At the place of question mark, what exactly comes? Use your logic and try to solve it out. Yes, students. Unnati, Ritesh, Mamta, Anjali, Anita Pawar, Shinde, Nikhil. Yes. Okay, what comes next? My screen is visible to all students. Yes, my screen is visible. Students, give the response.
So your screen is visible.
Okay, fine. Tell me the correct answer. What comes at place of question mark? Okay. Have you tried? All of you tried to solve this series? Yes. How many of you have tried? Please raise your hands virtually. Please raise your hands virtually. Those who have tried to solve and those who have solved correct answer. Okay, Ritesh has tried. Mamta has tried. Okay, again they have down their hands. Okay, please raise your hand. Those who have tried and those who have correct answer with them. Yes, students. If you are not participating in the lecture in the session, then it is not an use of the session. Again, I will tell you. You have to participate in the session. Then you are able to understand what exactly it is. Okay, what comes next at the place of question mark? Tell me, students. Yes. What comes next?
OD.
OD. How many of you are saying OD? Please raise your hands virtually. OD. Who has given the answer OD? Tell me, student, who has given the answer OD? How I am get to know about that? Who is speaking? Who is giving answers? Yes, Nikhil.
Yes.
What is your answer, beta?
ENC.
NC. Okay. And Unnati?
OD, sir, OD.
OD. Who has told OD? Yes. Who has told OD? Okay. Now we are going to see the correct answer of this.
NC.
NC says, OD says. Why not this screen is moving? Okay. This is a correct answer. Answer is NC is the correct answer. how the series is made, or what exactly the series is exactly they have given to you. Okay, see this Z W T Q and question mark, S Q K G question mark means Z minus 3 W, W minus 3 alphabets T, T minus 3 alphabets Q, and Q minus 3 alphabet N comes. And here S O K W, the 4 alphabets are minus from S. Okay, likewise. Okay, you got my point. What exactly the series it is? Students, yes, you got an idea about what exactly the series. Yes, it's clear. Yes or no? Participate in the sessions, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How I can know that you understood or not? You have to participate in the session. Then I am able to get to know about that who is actually taking part in the sessions. Okay. Clear? Can we move further? Yes. Students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. May we move further?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, beta.
In paper, these type of question comes, then how we can solve quickly? Like how we can
Quickly, you
identify
what
that
you
this type of series is going on?
okay? What you
How
can
we
do,
can
beta,
assess
first.
at that?
Yes, yes. What you can do firstly, whenever you will get rough paper, write A to Z alphabets on the paper. You I'm you assume that these type of questions will definitely come in your examination. Okay, definitely comes. These type of questions. What you can do, you have to write on a rough paper A to Z, say 26 alphabet, and this is, and then you have to use your logic. It's simply based on the logic. How you are going to use your logic. Okay, it is not a simple trick like it
Yes,
is not
sir.
a mathematical equations like we I will tell you how to calculate percentage. Okay, likewise. Okay, shortcut way to calculate percentage, shortcut way to calculate number of works to be done in a particular task they have given to you. They have having shortcut, but this is a, you have to use purely your logic. Okay, purely you have to use logic. It's clear, students. It's a
Yes, sir.
it's a reasoning. We have to draw a interphrase, or we have to draw some of the conclusion from the statements, you can say. Okay, statements we have to draw. Like suppose, again I will tell you one of the example. Okay, uh, A and B are best friends. A and B are best friends. Okay, C is a best friend of A. Okay, how what is the relation between C and B? They are not a best friend. They are friends. Okay, they have met together. They
They're
are
just
friends, but
fine.
not best friends.
Hmm.
You got an idea? A and B are best friends.
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
they will go
Hmm.
anywhere, they will go together. But C is also joined in the team for one of the event. You can say one of the event he has joined. C has joined. And what is the relation between C and B? C and B, like it is a he is a just friend, not best friend. You got an idea about this. Okay, you have to draw interface. You have to got some interference from the given statements, you can say. Or here also I have given you example logical in verbal reasoning. You have to use verbs. You have to use your reasoning means you have to use your mental ability. Mental ability. You have to think on that. What exactly comes in this? Okay, it's clear. Can we move further?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Find the missing term in the given series. Okay, A, B, D, E, F, H, I, J, K, and the place question mark, and again come S, T, U, V, W, X. In this given series, what exactly comes at a place of question mark? Okay, come at a question mark. Okay, use pen and paper, try to solve it out. Yes, what exactly comes?
MNOP.
Yeah,
B.
Option C.
LMNOP.
okay. Your option A, B, C, D. Out of this, how many of you are saying A? Please raise your hands. Okay, no one. Then B. Unnati and Nikhil has raised the hands.
QRSTU.
Yes, beta. Raviraj.
QRSTU.
QRS.
QRSTU.
D option. You want to say D option. Okay. Yes. Again, anyone else having another option in their mind? What I will
Option C,
do?
sir.
Option C. Okay, fine. Your option C. You say is that. And what I have
Option
told you.
C.
Yes, option C says. Okay. What I have told you. First of all, write A to Z alphabets. Then you can think on that. First of all, whenever you get a rough paper, immediately try to write A to Z. Okay, A to Z alphabets on a plain paper. Then definitely these type of questions will come. That time you don't have waste time. Immediately try to solve. Okay, because alphabets are already you written. Yes, all of someone says A, someone says B, and someone says C and D. What is the correct answer? We are going to see in next slide.
C.
Yes, beta.
C.
C option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the option C, the pattern of series is correct. Okay, see how this came. Okay, please check. See how the say C comes. C option comes. M and O P Q. How it is comes. Like from A and B, C is gap. Then again D E F. G is gap. H I J K. K after K. L is gap. M N O P Q R Q. R is gap. S T U V W X. You got an idea about that? Only one alphabet missing. Second alphabet is taken. They have taken. Okay. It's clear. Yes or no? Students, all of you are with me?
Yes, yes.
Good, great. Can we move further? Yes, students?
Yes.
Yes. Now we are going to see the directions. Okay, that second part is a direction. Direction is the formation, direction is the information contained in the relative position of one point with respect to other point without the distance information. Direction may be either relative to some indicated reference according to some previously agreed upon frame or reference. Cordial directions, the four cordial directions or cordial points are cordial directions, our directions which are the direction north, east, south, west. Okay, in the direction question, what they were going to ask you exactly, what I will tell you. Suresh has traveled east. Okay, Suresh has traveled east 5 kilometers, then he has taken a right turn, and then he has traveled 2 kilometers. Again, he has taken left turn. Again, he has met at a point. What is the exact distance from the original point to till that point? Okay, exact distance you have to calculate. You got an idea? You got an idea about what type of question they're going to ask you on direction? You got an idea about that? Suresh is traveling to the north. Okay, 5 kilometers he has traveled. Then he has taken left turn and he has traveled 2 kilometers. Again, he has taken left turn. Again, he has traveled 7 kilometers. What is the distance he has traveled from his original point? Okay, in which direction he is facing his face? This may be asked. They're going to ask. You got an idea about this? What exactly the direction questions will be?
Yes,
Students?
sir.
Yes. Can we move further to see an example of direction questions?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Deepak walks 5 kilometers towards the south and turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. He what direction is he facing right now? Okay, use pen and paper. Deepak traveled south 5 kilometers. Make it south means do that. Okay, use pen and paper, then try to solve. And you have to use pure your logic. Okay. Okay. What
Sir, west.
direction? Yeah, beta. West option. A option.
West.
Okay, good. A. Who has told this and who has given this answer? Who has given this answer? Yes.
North.
Ha,
North.
Maruti. Maruti Shankar. Okay. Shankar say, sorry. Maruti says that the option A is correct answer. Anyone want to give the correct option? Correct option? Yes. Everyone has to try. If you are involved in the session, then only it will be fruitful session. Then we are able to draw some conclusion, like we will get some outcome of the session. If you are not doing anything, you are not going to get anything, because it is purely about the logic, how we are using our brain to solve the questions. It's clear, students? Yes, what exactly comes? Okay, what direction he is facing right now? Anyone have any idea? Maruti said west is one of the option. Okay. Yes, which direction he is facing? Try to solve. Take a pen and paper and try to solve. Give answer. Then you are able to understand. Try to solve. Okay. Yes. Take a part in the
Yes,
session.
tell me.
South,
Yes, tell me. Nikhil.
south,
South direction. You say B. South. Okay.
West,
Any
west,
other option?
west.
West. Okay. West says A option. Can we see correct option? Can we move further? See correct option you will find. Okay. South is the correct type option. See that. D traveled 5 kilometers towards south. Okay, 5 kilometers he has traveled. Then he has taken right turn. Then again he has traveled 3 kilometers. Again he has taken left turn. Again he has traveled 5 kilometers. Exactly where it is facing? He is facing to the south. Okay. It's clear what exactly the distance questions or direction questions they're going to ask you.
No, sure. Can you please repeat it again? Like how
How
we
you
are
can draw?
assuming.
See, first of all, what you can do, uh, cordial directions, you know that east, west, north, south. Write on the paper east, west, north, south. First of all, you have to write east, west, north, south. Right, small way, in small. Just you can use the alphabet WS. Okay, EW. Likewise, alphabets you have to use. Direction alphabets you have to use. Then you can say be starting from this point and traveling 5 kilometers towards south. South direction on a paper, the south direction is available. He's traveling to the south. Then he is taking the right turn. Okay, traveling 3 kilometers. Again, he's taking left turn, traveling 5 kilometers. After walking 5 kilometers, which direction he is facing? At what direction he is facing right now? You got an idea about that? How to solve this? First of all, on a plain paper, write the direction east, west, north, south. It's clear. One paper is given to you. Okay, on that paper, write east, west, north, south directions, cordial directions you can write. Then start at a point. Deepak is starting from particular point and he's traveling 5 kilometers towards south. The directions on the paper, the directions are available for you. You have written directions. Then write D started from this direction and from this point to south direction and he has traveled 5 kilometers. Write a 5 kilometers. Then he has taken right turn. Then take a right turn. Again, he has traveled 3 kilometers. Right 3 distance at a one point. At a one point again, at that point again he has taken left turn as mentioned in that. Again he has traveled 5 kilometers. Okay, what exactly which direction he is facing? He is facing towards south. Okay, you got an idea about this, how to solve these equations? Okay, direction equations.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, read the sentence carefully. Mr. Deepak walks 5 kilometers towards south. Means towards south direction he has traveled 5 kilometers. Then he has taken, then then turns to the right. Right turn he has taken, right turn. Right turn he has taken. South ko ja raha tha 5 kilometers. Then he has taken right turn. He has traveled 3 kilometers. Okay, again he has taken, after walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. Again, after walking 3 kilometers, he has taken left turn and he has walked 5 kilometers. And what direction he is facing? His face, he is facing south direction. Okay, he has started from this Okay, from the particular point D directly goes. It is these means whatever maybe this arrow marks are given. It is reverse, but exactly what exactly you have to understand. Okay, in the presentation you see the directions or arrow marks are given in the reverse orders, but exactly is facing south direction. It's clear, students. Can we move further?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, take an example. A man walking towards north. After walking 100 meters, he turns. A man walking towards north. North के लिए north direction में he is walking and walking 100 meters and he turns right and walks 75 meters again. You got an idea about that? What exactly this is? Write on a plain paper. Write directions, cardinal directions, east, west, north, south. Okay, from particular point a man is walking north direction 100 meters and again he has taken right turn and he has walked 75 meters. Okay, again he turns right and walks 100 meters. After walking the 75 meters again he's taken right and 100 meters he has walked, and last moment he turns left and walk 25 meters. Now which direction he is walking? Okay, you got an idea about this? Yes, students, you understood the statement. You understood the statements, what exactly it says that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And take a pen and paper, try to solve. Okay. And give me the correct
Southwest.
answer. South,
Southwest.
southwest. Okay.
Sir, if
Yes,
East.
Fadl. East. Okay. That reason I'm telling you carefully, you have to read the sentence and draw a diagram, draw a path according to the statements. Okay. First of all, cordial.
Option B is
Yes, beta.
option B east.
Option B, east. Okay. What you have to do in for solving this question, take a plain and pen and paper and write a cordial directions, then particular and read the statement and draw a diagram, draw a line. Read a statement, draw a line. Read a statement, draw a line. Like a man is walking towards, like a man walking towards north. Okay, he is walking towards north and walking 100 meters. He turns right. After walking 100 meters, you have to take a right turn and he walks 75 meters. Again, he take right turn and walk 100 meters. And last moment he take a left turn and walks 25 meters. Now, which direction he is walking? Okay, this way you have to solve. Pen and paper you have to use to solve these questions. Okay. Now we'll
Okay.
see exactly the answer. What exactly the answer? See how this statement says that option B, east, is a correct option. Okay, a man walks 100 meters. Again, after walking 100 meters, he take right turn and walk 75 meters. Again, he take right turn, walk 100 meters. Again, he'll take left turn, walk how many? 25 meters. He's in which direction he is walking? East direction. Okay, you got an idea about this, students? How to draw lines?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone have any doubts in this? And how you have to do a practice, okay, of these problems, these types of problems, then you are able to get a command on these types of questions. It's clear.
Clear.
Okay, can we move further? Next.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to solve this again. Okay, A is 6 kilometer west from B and C is 4 kilometer north from B. D is 12 kilometers south from C. Now D in which direction and how far from A? Okay. Yes, A is 6 kilometers west from B and C is 4 kilometers north from B. D is 12 kilometers south from C. Now D in which direction and how far from A? Okay, take a pen and paper. Write the means first of all write the cordial directions. Okay, east, west, north, south. Then draw lines. Read the statements and draw lines. Read the statements and draw lines. Then you are able to understand. Then you are able to solve exactly how many kilometers away D is from A. Yes. Which option is correct? A, B, C, D out of this 4. Yes. Which option is correct? Tell me, students.
13.
A option. Okay. Again. Anyone, all of you are trying for this to solve this question? All of you are trying? Yes. All of you are trying to solve these questions. Yes. Tell me, student, what exact which option will be correct? Is correct? Which is correct option? A, B, C, D. Anjali, Anita, Mamta, Maruti, Nikhil, Raviraj, Ritesh, Shinde, Unnati. All of you to try for this. Okay. Then you are able to understand. Again, I have told you, this is a purely about your logic, how you are using your brain, how you are using your logics to solve the questions. Okay, it's clear. Yes, what comes answer? Only one student has said A option will be is correct. One student has said. Remaining students, you have solved or not solved or tried to solve? Yes, how many of you have tried to solve? Maruti, Raviraj, Ritesh. Hello. If you are not responding, I'm going to stop this session, beta. Please, again, I'm telling you.
Sir,
Respond
explain,
because
sir.
okay. Yes. Maruti, what is the correct answer?
Sir, 13.
A option 13.
A option 13. Raviraj, what is your answer, beta?
13.
Fifth. Huh? Which option is correct?
A.
A. Okay. Again, remaining students, Unnati, Anita, you have tried? Yes, what exactly the correct option will come?
But try.
12. Okay. Again, Anita, Mamta, Nikhil, Ritesh,
Trying, sir.
trying. Okay, good. Shinde, Anjali, what is the correct option, beta?
Sir, B. 12.
B option. Okay, B options. Good. Can we see correct option? Can we move further? Okay, see this. You are able to understand. Option D, 10 kilometers is the correct option. See how it is. A is 6 kilometers west from B. Okay. And C is 4 kilometers north from B. Okay. D is 12 kilometers south from C. And now D in which direction and how far from A? Okay. We have used this formula. Okay.
I haven't understood this question. Can you explain it again?
Yeah. Padal beta Unnati? Yes. Again, I will explain you what I have told you to first of all write a cordial directions on your paper and write A is west 6 kilometers west from B. A is 6 kilometers west from B. B point is written. You have taken B point. B point से 6 किलोमीटर वेस्ट को A लिखो. Yes. After writing that, what says that C is 4 kilometer north from B. North C is north from B है. B से north direction में C है. Okay. D is 12 kilometer south from C. Means D is south को है C के. At the point of C or at the point of article alphabet, you have to think on that from that point of view. Again, it is 12 kilometers. Means from B के 4 kilometers और ये B to C के 8 kilometers. Total 12 kilometers हो गए. Yes. Then what direction A and B? How many kilometers? How much distance from A and D? Okay, use this formula. Okay, we have learned this in the 7th or 8th standard. Karna varga is equals to under root paya varga, unchi varga. Likewise. Okay, in Marathi I will tell you. We have that's the reason I have explained you how it is calculated 10 kilometers. Yes, clear? Unnati.
No, sir.
That's
Why
clear.
we have
Yes, beta.
why we are using this formula under root 8 square plus 6 square?
Okay. When you calculate the formula, हे काय आपल्याला हे when you calculate the formula Pythagoras तुम्ही if you learn the 7th or 8th books, then you are able to understand what exactly it is. Okay. This formula you have to use to calculate this distance of A to D. This formula you have to use. We have learned in the 7th or 8th standard this formula. Current work is equal to pi दोन्ही under root 2 sides square root of 2 sides. We have learned this formula. Okay, you got an idea about this? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have used this formula. If you have gone with this your books, previous books, like we have learned this, because till we are completing we have completed our graduation or we are in a completion of graduation, till we are not knowing about this. It is a shame for us, beta. We have learned this in 7th and 8th standard, beta. It's formulas. It's clear? Can we move further?
Yes, sir. Yes, we
Okay.
can.
Yes, we can. Okay, this one. Okay. Symbol based comparison. Okay, this is another chapter, another point we can say symbol based comparison. Okay, symbol based comparison here. They will give some types of symbols like question mark, dollar, percentage, hash. Okay, again, the marks which I mentioned over here. Okay, these types of symbols they were given to. And they say that A percentage B is equals to A is greater than B. You got an idea? Plain paper you have with you. First of all, write A percentage रहा तो उसको synonym symbols क्या है? It is greater than. Okay, E is greater than. Okay, you got an idea about this? A question mark B means what is? A is either greater than or equal to, means greater or equals to sign. Greater or equals to sign कैसे होता है? Okay, all of you aware about this signs? A is smaller than B. A is smaller than or equals to B. B A is equals to B. Okay, you got an idea about this type of question, symbol based comparison. Yes, Unnati and all. Yes,
Yes,
these
sir.
types
Yes,
of
sir.
these types of symbols they're going to give you, and they'll give you what exactly this symbol means. And now each of the questions marks your answer options as follows. Only only conclusion 1 is true if only conclusion 2 is true, if both conclusions A and 2 and 1 and 2 are true, if either conclusion 1 or 2 is true, neither, or if neither conclusion 1 or not 2 is true. Okay, these types of options they're going to give you 5 options. You have to select that. Okay, the questions they will give you and the options, what exactly the A and B options will be the options they were going to give you. You have to find it out. A is correct or B is correct. Okay, you have to
Yes, sir.
use. We will move further. We will see one of the example on this. Okay, see the statement. Hello, students. Yes, you are able to solve what exactly. First of all, in previous slides, I have given to you what exactly this is statements. It is percentage marks means what and all that. These types of questions they're going to ask you. Okay. See, the answer is firstly the statement and conclusion should be converted into the normal symbols for better understanding. Okay, this is symbols. What does it mean by percentage? You have to convert into that. Like S percentage T. Percentage means what is exactly it is? It is greater than B means greater than. T is greater than S. You have to make a symbols. You have to convert into marks. You can say mark. Okay. Then you have to try to solve the questions. Okay. Here again the another example I have given to you. S and GT, comma TU and IT, comma ST and ITS. S. Likewise, you have to draw a conclusions. You have to first of all convert the symbols into marks greater than or equals to. Then you have to try to solve the questions. It's
So,
clear,
so how
students?
we will be converting these symbols?
Okay, how you are going to be converting the symbols? Okay, first of all, they will give you a one question. First of all, before questions, they will give one paragraph. What exactly the symbols means? Like A percentage B is equals to A is greater than B. A is greater than B. This is like percentage symbol is there. You have to use the mark is greater than B. You got an idea about this, Unnati? Whatever maybe symbols are given
Yes, sir.
for their symbols, what exactly the symbol mean? They were going to give you. Okay, in the
Okay, sir.
instruction A percentage B means A is greater than B. Likewise, this they will give you all types of symbols, and then they will going to ask you questions, which is exactly true. Like they have given you this statement, and the conclusion is like that. Out of these two, which one is correct? They're going to ask you. It's clear?
So
Yes.
how we can, yes, sir, but how we can convert this like T% U or M is not equal
Yes.
to T would be correct.
Okay.
Like which
T
one we
percentage
can?
U. Here you can see T percentage U. Like again the commas given. S and M they have given you and Q. Okay, they have given you what exactly the year that comes. Like S and T, S and M, S and M, Q or R. Okay. They have given you first one symbol. This first is an example. You have to convert that. And further, they have given you the exactly what exactly. Firstly, this two statement you have to firstly write. Then you can think of the conclusion. Okay. First of all, you have to write the statements. Then you have to think on the conclusion. Okay. What exactly I
Yes,
want to
sir.
tell you? It is just an examples of how to convert the symbols into symbols into direction. Use symbols into what I will say you like greater or equal to the particular grade you can say. Okay, you have to do that. Then you can try to solve the options. Okay, this is a this is purely about your logic how you are going to use. First of all, whatever instructions they have given to you, according to the instructions you have to what exactly the percentage symbols means greater than. Okay, the question mark symbol is equals means that greater than equals to. You have to write on a plain paper, then go to the questions. Then whatever maybe the ask, you have to convert that. Okay, like A percentage B, here it says that greater than equal to T percentage B they have given you, comma B sorry T percentage A have given, T percentage Q they have given to you, and A and T dollar mark N they have given to you. You have to understand what exactly it is. Okay, then you can go for going for the questions, going for the answers, what exactly this answer. Yes, it's pure about just you have to use your logic. Just I have given you examples how to convert that. Okay, what type of conclusion they're going to ask you if they are given to you like this. Okay, it's clear. Just it is an examples, not correct. You can say the uh, question and answers. You can say these are the just for your understanding. I have given to you. You have to use these type of. First of all, they will give you a statement instructions. They will give you what exactly the symbol means. Okay, A is greater than B. This type of symbols they will going to give symbols, and you have to use
So
your marks.
how many
Two
type of
questions.
questions comes
Two
in paper like around this symbol based? Two only.
only. Again, I have told you is the verbal reasoning on this, all these chapters. One or two questions comes out of 75 marks. You got my idea about this, what I want to tell you. Syllogism, coding, blood relations, one or two questions comes. Yes, clear. Yes, all of you
Yes, sir.
understood.
Yes, sir.
One or two questions comes where we are talking about, where we are just, it is an example. Again, you can see this linear and circular arrangement. What exactly the linear circular arrangement, I will tell you. Okay, a round table will be a round table. The four friends were sitting. A next to B, C is next to D. Likewise, they will give you statements. You have to draw according the statement. You have to draw a diagram. Here in the question, they what they ask you, the letters A, P, R, X, S, and Z are arranged in a row. S and Z are positioned in the middle. A and P are the ends. Okay, अभी एक row है. In the row, how many members are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members are there. Okay, in 6 members, A and P at the extreme ends. S and Z are positioned middle. वो middle में है. वो not at a corners. They are in the middle. Are seated to the left of A. Who is seated to the right of P? They were going to ask you. Okay. According to this, you have to draw a line, or you have to place each alphabet at a particular position. Okay, A2 means 1 to 6 जो रोज है ना अपने पास एक रो है, उसमें एक in one row A, P, R, X, Z are seated. 6 members were seated. Okay, एक रो में है. Then again they have given you statement like S and Z are positioned to the middle. S and Z, they are middle. They are not at an extreme end. Okay, you got an idea? A and P are extreme ends. R is seated left to A, means A extreme end होगा, उसके right उसके left को क्या है, A के left को at a position of A you can consider, and left to A R is seated. Who is seated to the right of P? They will ask you. Okay, right of P के बाजू में कौन है अभी right now? P is at an extreme end, one end. You got an idea about that? P के right को कौन है? Okay, S and Z are positioned in the middle. Middle में है वो, not at extreme ends. Middle means out of 6, not out of 6 students है ना, 6 positions, and out of that 6% they were at the middle, mean third and fourth they are sitting. You got an idea about this? Yes, clear,
Yes.
students? Okay, try to solve it out and we will see the what is correct answer of this.
X.
Yes, 1 minute, just 1 minute.
B option X would be the answer.
Okay, what exactly you told? Which option is correct? Yes,
The B option X.
C option. Okay.
Because A and P are at ends
Okay.
and S and Z are positioned in the middle, so only X's would be.
Would be. Okay, right, correct. You, what I will tell you, just I will give you a simple example of they were sitting in a straight row, or they were going to ask you like in a they were sitting in this round table. Okay, round table they were sitting 6 members or 8 members. Just it is an example I will give you. You have to try for this and you have to draw according to they have told you. Okay, how you have said Unniti, A and P are sitting at an extreme end. P is right to left to A. Okay, A is gone and Z, S and Z are position middle. And what exactly they means? P के right को क्या रहेगा? X. Okay.
X. Yes, sir.
Answer is X. It's clear how to solve this types of questions. Yes, understood, all of you. Students, what I want to tell you, all of you understood
Yes,
what
sir.
exactly these types of questions. Okay, can we move further? Or this is a one of the last slides from my side. Okay, I have completing the linear programming. Remaining chapters, what exactly it is? It is not possible for me to complete all these chapters like blood relation, okay, coding, decoding blood, okay, syllogism. Again, you have to try for that. But what exactly, which are the main points or which I want to convey you, you have to use purely about logic while solving the any types of questions here. Okay, it's clear to all of you what exactly the series and the directions, okay, or the circular arrangements. You can try for that. One or two questions definitely they were going to ask you on this, because the logical reasoning, the syllabus, if you have seen logical reasoning, what exactly it is means when you will search on the any books, okay, logical reasoning, what types of points are, what chapters they are going to complete, every chapter is available in this. One or two questions come from each of the chapter. It's clear, students? Yes, Unnati, all of you are done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great, great. Now,
Yes.
I will propose like vote of thanks. Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Hello, students. Yes, and I will also thanks to the like I will propose vote of thanks. I will thanks to the our college International Institute of Management Science Institute for giving me this opportunity, and I will also thanks to the Dr. Pushparaj Wak sir. He has given me opportunity to share my knowledge on the verbal reasoning, and I'll also thanks to the students, those who are taking actively part in the session. And again, I will tell you one, and last I will tell you, I request you to all of you, do the practice. Then only you are able to solve the questions. Okay, it's clear, students. Anyone have any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Yes, yes,
Sure.
no doubts. Again, I will tell
No
you,
doubt.
Yes, sir.
take a
Thank you.
and take a books of C.R. Kothari, sorry, R.S. Agrawal book. R.S. Agrawal book. Author is R.S. Agrawal book. In the R.S. Agrawal book, all these types of questions that it is a based basically on the quantitative aptitude. Aptitude test are there. Aptitude test book is there. R.S. Agrawal. R.S. Agrawal. Author name is R.S. Agrawal. You can take that book. Many types of solved papers, solved questions they are given to you. And otherwise, you can purchase from the market competitive success review magazine, CSR magazine, competitive success review magazine. Here in that magazine, the all types of examinations, previous university, previous asked questions of the particular examination, they have solved, and they will give you one types of magazine for 50 rupees. You can go through that also, and the current affairs which are happening, they also publish the current affairs. You can go through that also. Okay, it is for your benefit to score good number of marks. If you are scoring good number of marks, then only you are going to get a good college for your admission process. Okay. Again, lastly, I will share with you one slide. Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, student. Okay. Okay. International management admissions are open. You can contact to any of the person. Any of mobile numbers are given to you, or you can follow us also on Facebook, Facebook also, or LinkedIn. You can follow us, and our website is ims.ac.in. Okay, if you have any queries, you can contact to any of the number for MBA admissions or MC admission. For BB also, BC also, you can contact, and our college email ID is ims.info@yashaswigroup.in. Okay, the QR codes are also given. You can contact. Okay, it's clear, students. Anyone have any doubts in this today's session? Students, Yes?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Thank you for attending. Have a good day. Okay, now I try to close
Thank
the.
you, sir.
Okay. Now I close
Thank
the
you, sir.
session also. Okay. And do a practice, then only you are able to understand. Okay. Thanks a lot. For attending session. Now I'm going to end the meeting. Okay.